Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Woo.
It is 8:15. We just finished packing up, about to take off. Short day into Boots Off Hostel today. Hoping they have some Diet Cokes.
And our new shirts.
Woo!
Says it's delivered, but
That's happened before.
Yeah.
What? How cold was it? 54?
53.
It's 53 degrees out right now. Today's going to be a nice, beautiful sunny day. It's supposed to get up into the 70s. Last night wasn't very cold at all. I think it got down to about 40.
No, I only have 47 in the tent.
In the tent? Yeah. It wasn't windy or anything. Didn't hear any animals. Slept like a baby.
We did hear a tree fall.
Yeah. Somewhere
like
in
over
that
here.
direction.
Out of nowhere. It wasn't even like, we didn't even hear a gust of wind, just all of a sudden like...
Yeah, it was a little weird. Anyway, like we said, we're going to Boots Off. What do we got?
So we have 2,041 feet of ascent and 3,901 feet of descent. Total grade of 512. We do pass Laurel Falls today. I think that's what it's called.
Mm-hmm.
Laurel Fork Falls, that's right. Which is one of my favorite spots because once you pass it and you got to go around the creek, it's like James Bond-ish. You're like, just disappear around the rocks.
I've never seen James Bond, but
I don't know. I don't even know why I'm saying James Bond.
it is a pretty
how
cool
about some
spot.
Indiana Jones?
That's,
like you're on an adventure.
Yeah, that's more like it.
Yeah.
You're kind of on like a rock ledge that goes off into the water. You'll see when we get there.
I'm just always like, whenever something's like...
Cool, it's James
yeah,
Bond.
it's like... Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Anyway, let's get going. We're at the Dennis Cove trailhead. There's a lot of really nice campsites here. We've gone 3 miles so far. It is 9:55 and we are headed towards the Laurel Falls right now. It's a really pretty area. All right, we made it to the Laurel Falls Trail Junction. There's a blue blaze that goes that way, nice and flat, where you can head into Hampton. We are going to be going this way uphill. We have 6 miles left. 3 of it's going to be up, 3 of it's going to be down. Yeah, basically it's just up a mountain, down a mountain. Last time we did I say that already? Last time we did do the blue blaze and went into Hampton and took a 0.
You can, there's a hotel there, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's Super 8. I'm not sure.
I don't know. The day so far has been absolutely beautiful. The falls were gorgeous. The climb to get down to the falls is a little bit sketch. It's just rocks, like rock stairs. Kevin slipped on a rock, tweaked his knee, fell.
It was straight cartoon, like there was
I
a
didn't see
round rock that just was underneath my foot.
And you did one of these?
I did a little bit, yep. And then when I fell, I twisted my knee. And, yeah.
Hopefully that feels better in a little bit.
Hopefully.
But it was definitely worth the climb down to the falls. There is a blue blaze that you can take that just kind of bypasses it,
Yeah.
right?
There used to be a shelter too, but I think it burned down in 24.
The shelter did? Oh, I didn't know that.
I think.
Yeah, I would recommend staying on the red line and going and seeing the falls because it's very pretty. We have made it to Boots Off. We don't have anything reserved yet, so we're gonna kind of check it out. You do have to book online, but we can use their Wi-Fi to book, so yeah, we're gonna go see what they got available, and hopefully they got some food, because I'm freaking starving. We didn't eat lunch today.
Yeah, I should have asked if we would compile. Let's ask her if we can compile all of ours.
There were only camp spots available left. This place is really busy right now. So we got our camp spot. We're all set up. We camped here last time we stayed. We already did a little bit of resupply. Just got some dehydrated meals, some Spams and Kit Kats. Got some Hot Pockets. I'm going with Trip's method of lunch. Hot Pockets, so.
I'm going with the
And
spicy beef
oh,
and
is that going to be
cheese.
your lunch?
Yeah.
Some burritos, frozen burritos. And we got our new shirts. So pretty excited about that. Here's the hole I was talking about yesterday. Both of our shirts are like that. I don't know if you can see mine or not, but So they're pretty nasty shirts. So pretty excited that we get new ones. We are gonna go take a shower and do laundry, and then maybe order Uber Eats too here. They do have a bunch of frozen stuff that we could cook, like the Hot Pockets and stuff, but not sure yet what we're gonna do. We'll see. We got our McDonald's. That's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight.
I got my big arch again.
Of course. We both took showers.
Our laundry's in.
Yeah, they do our laundry for us. So that's nice. The shower was nice. It's an outdoor shower, but it's hot. So
Yeah. I think I had it
cranked all the
Scalding.
way.
scalding me because that's the way I like it.
Anyway, after we finish eating, we're probably just gonna maybe go charge our stuff. We
Yeah.
have to go up to the kitchen area to charge.
Did you say you can go into town?
Yeah. Oh, no.
So I think everybody went into town. You
They-
can
They offer shuttles.
Yeah. at 5 and 6. And they drive
Probably-
you to the grocery store, Subway, and McDonald's.
Probably earlier, too, in the day. We're not sure, but the ones we could have took to town were at 5 and 6 o'clock. So,
Well,
but we didn't need to.
tomorrow's going to be a little bit bigger day. We're just going to try to set ourselves up for the shortest day that we can into Damascus. We're just going to break that section up into 1 night, 2 days. So, yeah.
We did talk to Tripp.
Oh, yeah. He has a new tent coming. He ordered it to the Long Neck Lair, our favorite place with alpacas.
And we did book a room there at the
Yep.
Alpaca Hostel. So that's what we got coming up the next couple days. Supposed to be good weather the next couple days. So it's going to be a good stretch. We're excited.
Keep the good weather going.
Anyways, I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.